First you open this thing which is screwed on the back side. Open all the screws. After it has been opened, we'll use this rod ये अभी से थोड़ी टाइट होगा. We'll use this rod to fix the tires like this. Make sure that you use the washer on both hands. On another side also, first you'll insert a washer and then fix the wheel. Please pay attention to the position of the wheel. फ्रंट व्हील इंस्टॉल आता है क्या? ये इंस्टॉल होता है ना? This you'll get installed, pre-installed position like this. So use both these keys to tighten the screw. So make sure you tighten them enough so that they can rotate freely. They should be tightened up to the level that they can rotate like this. Yes. And then put the cap on both sides, on both the wheels like this. This is like an insertion kind of lock. It does not need any screws or anything. They have got the locks which gets fixed up when you press them with your hand. So after this has been fixed, we'll install the foot accelerator. So that's how we connect it first. So once it is connected, insert it like this. On another side, footrest, install it simply by inserting it into the slot. It may require a little bit of adjustment. Now turn it upside down. उल्टा कर दो इसे. Turn it upside down like this. And we'll install this thing. This is a supporting rod that supports the plastic parts. Tighten both the screws. you may need to adjust it little bit so that the holes of the rod matches with the hole of the body. Tighten the screw on each, like the total number of 4 screws which needs to be tightened. It is very important to tighten these screws because this will ensure that the base of the cycle, the base of the bike will be stable, and the child can even stand on it. This may require a little bit of efforts and trick. If it's not fully inserted, this may not go inside. Put it back into its position. Install this cover. You need to open the screws, 3 screws which are there. तीनों screw या दो? Only one screw needs to be opened, and insert it and then tighten the screw back. It will fix to its position. It doesn't require too much of time. It requires only 15 minutes of your time with patience. Now we'll install the handle. No, before handle, we'll install this cap. So to install this cap, we'll open 2 of the screws. कैप पहले लगेगी,
ये कैप बाद लगेगी इसके ऊपर से.
We'll fix the handle first, and then over and above the handle we'll install the cap. To install the handle, open the screws, 2 screws, and then tighten them like this. Now we'll install the cap above it. To install the cap, we'll open these 2 screws and then place this cap, and then you tighten these screws. After you have fixed this cap, you simply need to tighten these screws. After the screws have been tightened, you'll fix this particular part over here and open these 2 screws, fix this part and tighten these screws. So the installation of this bike will be completed.